At Jellaz, Tunisia's biggest cemetery, teams are working around the clock, digging graves for the dead.
This cemetery's been around for 900 years, and there's never been a year like this.
Hassan says he buried 800 COVID victims over the past year. In a country scarred by years of political instability and social and economic crises, the COVID pandemic has been the most painful yet.
I hate Tunisia, I hate government. It's not a government. This is my father, yes.
Yassin's anger is shared by many here who blame those in charge for the loss of their loved ones.
There were 4 or 5 people and 1 oxygen tank and a cable that connected to the people.
And when he finished, he يستناو.
And when it's over, they had to wait for the next round, which is in 12 hours, when they could get another tank. My dad was fine in the beginning. I took him to the hospital, and he got sicker and sicker.
COVID-19 has claimed the lives of over 20,000 Tunisians, but estimates suggest the number could be 3 times higher. Shortages of oxygen supply and personnel were particularly trying during the crisis, which is still being felt across the country. Only 5% of Tunisia's budget goes to healthcare. That is 3 times less what the World Health Organization recommends. Some people here say COVID and the government's perceived inability to tackle the crisis was the last straw for exasperated Tunisians who felt abandoned by the very people supposed to protect them.
People understood that our lives were not worth saving. That's the message we got from the government. I hope today authorities understand that, and that with new power, the president will change this direction and place importance in human lives. If they don't, this administration will join other politicians in Tunisians' minds, because Tunisians will no longer accept being sacrificed.
So far, only 9% of Tunisians have been vaccinated. President Kais Saied announced a mass vaccination campaign will start on Sunday, after EU countries and China sent Tunisia 6 million doses in the past week alone. Securing help from abroad will certainly give the current administration credibility in the fight against the virus and may contribute with the arduous task of restoring trust among the Tunisian people. Annalise Borges in Tunis for Euronews.